I've had 2 fabulous years. We've lifted silverware. I've done well on a personal note and well as a team experience, and you know, I'm looking forward to it. I've extended my contract now for another 2 seasons, and you know, at the moment life can't get any better for me in Wales.
And nothing less for you.
He's probably, you know, with Mark, he's probably the best striker in the pair of them are the best strikers in the League of Wales. He's probably more of an all-round player than Mark. You know, he makes good runs. He's again, you know, you've got to switch on, because if you switch off, he'll cash in on any little mistake, and he hits the target all the time with his chances that he gets. So he's a good goal scorer.
It was a fabulous season last season, you know, being my first up in the League of Wales to complete the double. And then obviously I think we would be the first Welsh team ever to complete the back-to-back doubles, and make a little bit of history, and I'd love to be part of that, yeah.